Hello friends, let's develop a program of reverse right angle triangle. First, we will open Turbo C, start Turbo C, then new file, full screen for F5, then save it. We can press F2 button from the keyboard to save it. Reverse star dot C. C is the extension of C file. Then OK. Okay, first we include the files, header files, hash include stdio dot h hash include conio dot h void main. Then we will take variables like int row, I to represent rows, j represent column, I and j for row and column. Then clear screen function to clear the previous output. Printf how many rows do you want to print? Slash n for new line. Scanf percentage d ampersand row. Now loop for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to row I plus plus. I represents the row of the star pattern, and then for j is equal to 1, j less than equal to, we will write here a condition that row plus 1 minus I and j plus plus, and printf star, then closing loop of inner, then again printf, then closing loop of outer loop. Save it again. Alt F9. We will press of Alt F9 keys. No error. Then Control plus F9 to execute the program. How many rows do you want to print? For example, 5 rows. This is the output. Then again execute it. 10. This is the output. Now I should explain you how it works. First, this is the printf function. Okay. When I run this program, the, uh, how many rows do you want to print a message shown on the screen? So printf function is used to give a message on the screen. Okay, so it is printed on the screen by default, sorry, as it is, as we have written in the printf function. How many rows do you want to print? Next is scanf. Here row variable, I variable and j variables are of int type, int data type. So int data type is written as percentage d. If we have a variable of float type, then we have percentage f for float. Like for character, there are c. Okay, so this is for percentage d for integer data type. Row is a variable row. So what we enter here, like 5 rows print, 10 rows print, then it will be stored in this variable, row variable. Okay. For example, for your example, if I control plus F9 karte, how many rows do you want to print? If I write here 5, then how many rows value of the variable is stored in the row? That is the 5. Okay. Then for loop will be executed. First I value is 1. Then condition will be checked. Here I, what is the value of I? Here I value is 1. So 1 is less than equal to 5, because we have given the value of row is 5. 1 is less than equal to 5, that is the true. When the outer loop is true, then the control will be shifted to the inner loop. Here j value is 1. Okay, then j is less than equal to row plus 1 minus I. That means row, how many row? 5 row. Variable is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus, that is the total value, 5 plus 1, that is 6. 6 minus I, what is the value of I here? 1. 6 minus 1, that is 5. Okay, then it is true, then its body will be executed, that is the star. So when I execute it and I have given here 5, then you can see that in the first row 5 stars will be printed here. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, first row 5 star. I is first row, that is a 1. 1 is the first row. Then here 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, I value is 1, 5. The 5 star is printed here. Then 5 stars. Then slash and for new line, the control is shifted to the new line. Then again, now here the j I value is 2. 2 is less than equal to 5, true. Then control shifted to inner loop. There j is started again from 1. Okay. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 2, because here the I value is 2. 6 minus 2, 4. So in the second row, that means I value here is 2. That in the second row, the 4 stars will be printed there. Look here, in second row, how many stars are there? 4 stars. In the similar ways, all the stars will be printed there, because in the third loop, the in the third time I will use 3. 3 is less equal to 5, conditional true, then control is shifted to the next line. Okay, then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Then in the third row 3 stars be printed there. Then I value 4. 4 is less than equal to 5. Okay, then 5 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. That is in the 4 row, I will use 4 na. That is the 4 row, 2 stars be printed there. Then again I value 5. 5 is less than equal to 5. Then here 6 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. In the fifth row 1 star will be printed there. Okay, then again I value 6. 6 is less than equal to 5. No, it becomes false, the condition is false. So the program will be, program control will be shifted to the get ch function. The program will be terminated. Thank you. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe my channel. I will provide you more videos on programming. Like and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.